Well, children, good morning. Again, we shall see chapter first of geography. Chapter is India size and location. Dear children, we know very well India is one of the ancient civilizations in the world. It has achieved multifaceted socio-economic progress during last 5 decades. It has moved forward, displaying remarkable progress in the world in the field of agriculture, industry, technology, and overall economic development. First of all, we shall see the location of the country. Dear children, India is a vast country lying entirely in the northern hemisphere. The main landform extends between latitudes 8 degree 4 minutes north and 37 degrees 6 minutes north and longitude 68 degrees 7 minutes east and 97 degree 25 minutes east. First of all, we shall see the location of India. Located in the northern hemisphere. Now let us see the latitudinal extent of India. What is the latitudinal extent of India? Know very clearly. As I told, 8 degree 4 minutes north north 37 degree 6 minutes north of India. This is in India. It influences the duration of day and night. Due to this long latitudinal extent, the duration of day and nights influence day and night. Now move forward. Tropic of Cancer 23 degree 30 minutes north. It divides India into two halves. Divides India into two halves. Now let us see the island. Lakshadweep Island. Lakshadweep in the Arabian Sea. It is in the Arabian Sea, means southwest part of the country. Arabian Sea. Second is Andaman and Nicobar, two major island groups of the country. Andaman and Nicobar in Bay of Bengal. Two major water bodies surrounds India from two sides, means southeast part of the country and southwest part of the country. Size. Let us see the size. India is 7th largest country in the world. After Russia, Canada, USA, China, Brazil and Australia. This is the 7th largest. Now let us see the area. Area of the country. Total area 3.28 million square kilometer. Million square kilometer. This is the size and location of the country. Now let us see boundaries of India. boundaries of India. It is bounded by Himalaya. In the north. Northwest, northeast. On this side, this is bounded by Himalaya. Arabian Sea, the west. Bay of Bengal, in the east. Clear? India has boundary. What is the boundary of India? 15,200 kilometer. Coastline, 7,516.6 kilometer. This is the size and location of India. We shall go ahead now. What is the standard meridian? Standard meridian. India has selected 82 degree 30 minutes east. The standard meridian. Now you have come to understand, I think, location. See very clearly, located in the northern hemisphere. Tropic of Cancer, 23 degree 30 minutes north, divides India into two halves, into two equal halves. Means latitudinal extent, let us see, 8 degree 4 minutes north, 37 degrees 6 minutes north of India. It influences the duration of day and night. Due to this latitudinal extent, the Indian day and night time is influenced. Now see island group. Two major island groups are there of the country.